In the lush jungles of western Honduras, near the border with Guatemala, lies Copan, a city that was once a vibrant heart of the ancient Maya civilization. Over 1,000 years ago, its towering pyramids, intricately carved stone monuments, and bustling plazas were rich with the sounds of a thriving society. But around 1,200 years ago, this city faced a mysterious collapse, leaving behind ruins that have puzzled scholars for centuries. What caused the downfall of Copan and the broader classic Maya civilization? Was it environmental catastrophe, social unrest, or the clash of cultures? A new study offers fresh answers through the analysis of ancient DNA. Researchers from Trinity College Dublin have analyzed the DNA of several individuals buried during Copan's heyday. The results have uncovered new clues about the rise, composition of the population, and most crucially, the eventual decline of this civilization. Copan was no ordinary city. From around 250 to 950 AD, during what archaeologists call the classic Maya period, it was a major capital at the southeastern edge of the Maya world, a crossroads linking Central and South America. Its story begins even earlier, in the early pre-classic period before 1000 BC, when small farming communities settled in the Copan Valley, relying on maize, a crop so central to Maya life that their myths describe humans as being molded from it. By 426 AD, a pivotal moment arrived with the founding of a royal dynasty by Kinich Yaks Kukmo, a charismatic outsider whose origins are shrouded in mystery. Ancient inscriptions tell us he arrived in Copan in 427 AD, establishing a lineage of 16 rulers that governed for nearly 400 years. Under their rule, Copan flourished as a hub of art, astronomy, and trade. Yet, by AD 820, the city's political system crumbled, its grand construction projects ceased, and its population dwindled. The new DNA study sheds light on this particular arc. The researchers focused on 7 individuals buried during the Classic period. Their remains were excavated from Copan's archaeological sites as part of the project. Among them were 2 men whose burials tell contrasting tales. One, known as CPM-13, was laid to rest in a lavish tomb outside the city's Acropolis and was surrounded by precious grave goods like jade and pottery, suggesting he was a member of the ruling dynasty. The other, CPM-12, was found nearby in a position typical of a sacrificial burial, possibly offered to honor the gods or seal a political pact. These 2 men shared a Y chromosome lineage called Q1b, a genetic marker passed down from father to son, like a family name carried through the male line. This Q1b lineage is common among indigenous American populations today. Yet, despite sharing this marker, they were not close relatives. The other 5 individuals, 3 women and 2 men, showed diverse maternal lineages belonging to mitochondrial DNA haplogroups called A2 and C1. Mitochondrial DNA, inherited only from the mother, is like a maternal family tree, and A2 and C1 are widespread